Wow, just wow. Look at this huge sandy beach, or should I say big, as it is called, Stora Sand. And it's located in Haninge on the island of Utö. And the sand continues even in this direction as well, as you can see. It's fascinating and magical indeed. It is 22nd of September 2025. Currently it is 1:20 p.m. and 15 degrees Celsius in the air. But it feels a lot warmer than yesterday when it was 18 and cloudy and rainy. So I would take this over any other day. Just look at it, how beautiful this beach is and how clean the water is. This reminds me of many of the beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, I would say. Minus the greenery around it. You can see that was replaced there with palm trees. The water looks so amazing, and we get even huge waves. Super clean and super nice. And interesting fact about this beach is that it's in a military area, but it's the entry, it's allowed in the whole of the area when there are no exercises. And this week and last week also there are no exercises, so it is free to enter, but you should not touch any ammunition and any old stuff that's around the range. Just follow the road. It's around 6.5 kilometers from Spränga, where the boat stops, the last stop, as the boat starts from Årsta Brygga at Årsta Houseboat. Then the first stop is Brygga, where it actually was last week, and then it continues to Nesset and Spränga. So there are 3 stops, and the boat ride, it's around 50 minutes to Spränga, and from there I ran for 35 minutes to get to this beautiful beach. And I'm not I'm so surprised. I didn't expect that this would be this good. As I don't know, it's amazing. Just look at the water. It's brilliant. I'm so happy. And we continue with the beach adventures. Today is beach number 121, and I'm really on the run with the beautiful sandy beaches. And it really pays off to have a monthly card with the public transport in Esso, because you can also take the boats for free. And chillier weather this week is gonna be, but sunnier, which is amazing. And let me show you more of this beauty as I prepare to take a swim. Now, yesterday it was only 14 degrees Celsius in the sea where I was in Notaro. At another beach that had a similar name, it was called Stora Sand, written together. But this is Stora Sand, and not to be mistaken with the beautiful sandy beach at Värmdö, that's also called Stora Sand. So lots of sandy beaches in Stockholm, but look at the water. It is so clean, and the sand continues even inside, apart from few pebbles here. It is cold, I'm not gonna lie. How cold we're gonna see very, very soon, but nevertheless, I'm so happy. You can't imagine how happy I am to have found this piece of beauty that I will return in the summer for sure. My feet are freezing, but I think it's gonna be worth it when I get into the water. So let's see the temperature. 10 degrees. Woo. 10 degrees Celsius in the sea. What is this happening? 10 degrees in the sea. This is the coldest that I have been so far. I mean, if I don't count March and April. But 10 degrees it is. Oh my god. So let's then dance with the waves. Ready, set, and it's so freezing, and go. It's so cold, but it's so freaking good. I love it. I love it. So, with these wonderful views on this beautiful big sandy beach and the freezing water of just 10 degrees, it's time for me to wrap up and enjoy. I have now 3.5 hours until the last boat of the day goes back to land. So I will be enjoying in this beautiful sandy beach, Stora Sand, on the island of Uto in Haninge. Thank you so much, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.